Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get backlinks from Quora. So getting backlinks from Quora can be a valuable strategy for boosting your website's SEO. Here's a short guide on how to effectively gain backlinks from Quora. All right, create a Quora account and sign off if you haven't already. Search for questions related to your industry or expertise. Use keywords relevant to your niche to find opportunities where your knowledge can provide value, and then write thoughtful comprehensive answers that genuinely addresses the question. Aim to be informative and helpful, establishing yourself as an authority on the topic. And if relevant, include a link to your website within your answer. Ensure that the links adds value. For example, linking to a source or in-depth article that expands on your answer. And then follow the Quora rules. Avoid excessive self-promotion. Quora has guidelines against spamming, so be sure that your links are contextually relevant. And then avoid other useful answers and follow questions to increase your visibility. Engaging with the community, you can also attract more views to your answers. And then use tools like Google Analytics or backlink checkers to monitor the traffic and authority gain from your Quora links. And additional tips: just stay active and consistent, right, to earn your credibility on the platform. And then answering questions in specialized area may yield better engagement in link opportunities. You can effectively leverage Quora to gain valuable backlinks for your website. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for